Ask any customer that walks through your door what they think TPMS is. Chances are they're going to say it's a light on their dash. As professionals, we know that it's a lot more, and we must educate that customer to what TPMS really is and what it means to them. We're going to find out more next.
This video is sponsored by ATEC, manufacturers of TPMS diagnostic tools and solutions. Visit atec-tpms.com for more information.
Chances are, if you showed a customer a picture of a TPMS sensor, TPMS tool, or TPMS service kit, they would not know what these things are. They would be very confused. But if you ask them what TPMS is, they probably point to their dash and that annoying light that comes on that warns them that their tires are low. It is your responsibility at a shop to educate that customer. Show them a TPMS tool, a TPMS sensor, and a TPMS service kit in your showroom or waiting room so that they know that they're not just dealing with a light on the dash, they're dealing with a complete system that will improve the safety of their vehicle and also the fuel economy. So make it a point to educate and advocate to your customers about the role of TPMS on their vehicle before they need all 4 sensors replaced. This way, when they come to your shop with that light on, they'll trust you when you recommend 4 sensors for their vehicle. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.